Well, hello everyone. Yesterday yesterday was April Fool's. I wanted to make the video yesterday, but I figured I'll wait because of April Fool's Day and whatnot. But I went around the city yesterday and I collected all kinds of leaves and grass and whatnot, and I made a mess here on my table. And but anyways, I want to look at these leaves and grass, and we'll start with excuse me. We'll start with this one here because it's. And remember, I picked this yesterday. It's not from today, but you can see here on the leaves that the leaves are burnt, and there's these spots on them, and this is relatively new, this growth here. As you can see here with the grass that I collected, you can see how it's burnt. See how it's like orange, yellowish kind of orange, and this is also new. This leaf here, which is something that I find very interesting. This is not a new leaf. This is something that was on the ground, but still, as you can see, there are spots here from burning, and the areas where it's burnt, it's like paper, but here it's normal. Now here's another leaf with, I'm not sure exactly what types of plants these all are. I'm not 100% familiar with all of the plant life in Germany, or in Europe for that matter, but there's these spots still, and here's more grass, and this I find very interesting, and because of the black spots all over the place. I have videos of this stuff in December and in I think September also as well. If you look back in my other videos, you'll see this black stuff all over the leaves. Here's another. This is a bush, and you can see that the stuff wants to grow, but here it's dead, and there's a new growth, and it's a very funny and reddish color. Something I also noticed with a lot of the stuff is that the leaves are really red. Like here, there's this really intense purpley kind of red, and it's not really normal. And same here with this. This is from I think it's from a rose bush. The rose bushes were hit really hard. The leaves didn't really like the rain. As you can see here, the leaves are all folded on. I think I took this because it was green, and I have another one here somewhere that is not green, but I can't find it now. But you can see here in the pines, or it's either a pine or an evergreen, but you can see the red there. This is chemical burnings. This is also something I find very interesting. This is really big. The daisies, I guess is what they call these things, or maybe dandelions, they're really big, and normally they're much smaller, but here's also some, I think that's a maple leaf, and the maple leaf is like almost purple, and has purplish color to it. here, these leaves are very funky, almost like a tie-dye pattern. You see here with this is all definitely chemical reactions to the plants. Here's more. Same here. So many people say to me, oh, it's from the sun. But the sun wouldn't do this. Not like this. And not in selective spots like here. That's not the sun. See these little dots everywhere. And yeah, this one's interesting too because it looks like there's holes in it, but you can see through the leaves. And something definitely ate through this leaf, and it wasn't a bug. I don't know any bug that would leave. It looks like there's nothing there, but there is something there. Yeah, the world is definitely changing. There's more plants with the red on it. This redness is really intense. It's intensified. Like here, plant's dead, but it was better looking yesterday. Sorry. You can see this is new growth actually, and this is already burnt. So the chemicals Corexit is still in the rainwater, and people can say to me, "Oh, you're crazy, all you want," but